Good morning to all present here. Our subject name is 16ME303 CAD CAM SIM. Do you know the expansions of CAD CAM SIM? It is nothing but computer aided design, computer aided manufacturing, and then computer integrated manufacturing. Here, these three design, manufacturing and integrated manufacturing are very important in an industry for the good quality productions and the good production. For the quality and good production. Here, now we are going to see what are all the needs and scope of the computer design manufacturing. Here the unit 1 is called the introduction to CAD CAM. Here the objectives of this today's session is the need. We are going to see about the need of CAD CAM SIM and the scope of CAD CAM SIM. Here the picture shows that how the CAD CAM will help the better in the industries and for the manufacturing process. Here the computer design and the manufacturing is very easier, smarter and faster when we implemented in the industry. In the olden days, the design and the manufacturings are made by the manual, so we have a lot of difficulties and the problems in the productions. But nowadays these CAD CAM SIM or the computer design softwares and the manufacturing softwares implemented in the industries, it will be helpful for the skilled labor or the industry persons to design and produce a good product for the customer. Here, computer design and the manufacturing consists of the different softwares like CATIA, Pro-E, AutoCAD, or many softwares available related to the CAD CAM softwares. Here the picture shows here is, so the computer design and the manufacturing is very easier, smarter and then faster. Here in this system they show given a diagram called the analysis diagram. We in the CNC simulations, the realistic and then very powerful and then automatic G codes, easy to use. Here is nothing but if we know the softwares or if we learn the softwares well, we can easily use it for the production. Here some of the codes, automatic G codes and the M codes. That means G codes is nothing but geometry codes, M codes is miscellaneous codes. These are useful for the designing purpose. And then the manufacturing will be the CNC machining toolpaths will help these softwares to produce some quality and the good accuracy with the precision product. He going to see about, and then another one is very easy to use. You can know how we can using a mobile. It is very useful and very easier while we searching something through the applications like the way the CAD CAM softwares are very useful if we learned and known very well. It is very quick accessible for designing one good design. We are going to two topics today is nothing but a need of CAD CAM SIM and then scope of CAD CAM SIM. First we are going to define what is meant by CAD CAM. CAD CAM is a term which means a computer aided design and the computer aided manufacturing. As I told, these are combined together into called computer integrated manufacturing. It is a technology concerned with the use of digital computers to perform certain functions in design and production. Is nothing but these CAD CAM is nothing but the digital computers, with the help of digital computers to perform some design functions and the production functions. It means if you are designing on a model like a car or whatever the component which are useful for an industry, we can use these softwares to develop that model using like AutoCAD, Pro-E or many softwares available nowadays to designing purpose and also for the analysis purpose. Here the given diagram shows that some of the concept has been made using the softwares. We can define these three into it means that three categories. A CAD is different, a CAM is different, and the SIM is different. These three together will see the definition. Computer aided design. Computer aided design is the use of computers and the workstations to aid in the creations, modifications, analysis or optimizations of design. Nothing but it gives that computer-aided design will helpful when we can make a design in the software or creating this design, or if we need to change any geometrical modifications or the attributes modifications, whatever the modifications to be done, we can use these softwares, and then we can analyze either thermal flow or the heat flow or whatever the fluid flow, we can analyze through the computer design software, or we can make an optimizations. Optimizations is nothing but which one is the best design for the productions. That also we can make through this CAD systems or the CAD workstations. What is in big CAM? Next one is the CAM, computer aided manufacturing. Is also called the computer aided modeling or the computer aided machining. Here it is, say for example, it is a CNC machine. If you take a CNC machine, so it is one of the CAM, the model machine. We can, for example, if you take turning operations or drilling operations, whatever the lathe operations, we can do it in the manual. That are all we can use this CAM software for the machining purpose. If for example you go the manufacturing technology lab 1, you having an special machines like drilling, shaping, slotting, and then boring, the gear cutting, whatever the sliding machines. These are all the manual process. We have to take the workpiece and to keep in the bed, and we have to do the process for the machining. Where if we go for an computer-aided manufacturing softwares, like a CNC softwares, CNC machines, automatic machines, we can directly give the G codes and the M codes or the number of automatic codings into the software. It will directly make a product. In our SNS College of Technology, we have the CNC simulation lathe, computerized numerical control lathe in our CAM laboratory. Here then in that lathe we can do the turning operations, the drilling operations, or the machining, whatever the operations we can do directly by giving the codings in the software, in the system. It will gives the product. This definition is that computer-aided manufacturing, also known as the computer-aided modeling or the computer-aided machining, is the use of software to control the machine tools and related ones in the manufacturing of workpieces. It means that it is use of a software means the machine tools while in the manual manufacturing process, you have to take care of your machines, workpiece, and the tools. You have to take the tools and fix it in the job, and you have to fix the workpiece, and you have to make the process for the machining. Where here in the computer aided machining process, it will do the automatic process directly into the through the system. That is called computer aided manufacturing. I think I hope everyone will understand what is meant by the computer aided design and the computer aided manufacturing. It is nothing but a computer aided design is the process where we can make a model or the design where the product is needed. After that the design the model, we can use the computer aided manufacturing machining process to produce the product. What is meant by SIM, computer integrated manufacturing? SIM is the manufacturing approach of using computers to control the entire production process. It is nothing but SIM where controls both the computer aided design and the computer aided manufacturing. Both together combinedly process is called the SIM. Here we given CAD plus CAM is equal to SIM. These are the three computerized design, manufacturing, and the integrated manufacturing. Our subject is that CAD CAM SIM. In this subject, we are going to see about these three advantages, applications, or all the development or the improvements or the usage about this CAD CAM SIM in our systems nowadays. So next we go the need of CAD CAM. Why the CAD CAM SIM is named? For example, you take one car manufacturing industry. In olden days, the car process are very tedious. For single car manufacturing will take more time for designing, and then it is analyzing and to go for production. But nowadays, it is very easy for producing or making one car because these softwares. For the design, for the accuracy and the quality design, you can use these CAD/CAM softwares. Nowadays, in the number of car models are available. In olden days, you cannot able to see such a car models because of quality and because of time requirement is more for producing one car. But you can have nowadays everyone is an automated through the softwares. Even the mechanical is fully automated stage now in nowadays using this CAD/CAM sim. So by the help of a software, we can develop or design every complicated designs to give one accurate quality of product. Why these CAD/CAM sim is needed? To increase the productivity of design. We can see it one by one. To increase the productivity of designer. It means that in one industry, if they implemented the CAD/CAM sim, they can increase their productivity because of the time of designing and in manufacturing are very low. It will if the one day work will get reduced into an hour basis work because of this implementations of CAD/CAM. Another second point is to improve the quality of design. For example, you draw some like a car or any structure in your pencil or pen in your paper without a scale or any measurement. It will give some variations in their aesthetic look, where if you use these softwares or if you use a scale for drawing the measurement, for example, if you have studied in engineering drawing, so the scales, lines, projections, whatever, it will be with the measurement, so it will be very accurate. So that by implementing the CAD/CAM, whatever the design you are making into your system, it will be very quality one. Next one is the improved communications. By this, if you have some corrections or the modifications or optimizations, whatever the thing you have to change it in your design, easily you can communicate with the help of software to the other people, and you can get corrected very easily. So easy communications or the improved communications through this CAD/CAM sim the softwares. To create a manufactured database. If you use a manual process, you will not be able to create a database, because in the olden days they have only the papers, will not have any more such an digital systems to maintain the database. Nowadays, whatever the design or the data you are writing into your making into your systems, it will be stored in RAM always. So whenever you need a particular data of any product or any manufacturing, you can take easily and you can rework or make it again. That is very easy if you use the CAD/CAM. And then to create and test tool paths and optimize them. And you can easily the tools, the wear and tear of the tools or any optimization to be done on the product, you can easily make it. And also to help in production, scheduling and then MRP models. Easily you can schedule your production time, because we cannot predict when the product will get come for the sale if you do it in a manual, because the days by day the work will change or you have some modifications in your manual process. But we know this time or these days required to manufacture one car or one product. With the help of CAD/CAM, the software will tell directly how much time it takes for making one product. So we can easily give an scheduling to the customer, or we can make a correct work schedule or work chart for the production chart for the one product, and to have an effective software control. Easily we can software control can be easily maintained. Next one is the elements of the design process. We have the various steps in designing one product or one component. You have to find a problem, which means that problem identification, and you have to define that problem. It is called a research first. Then what are the requirements needed for that requirement specifications, and how that design will be processed or generated based on the concept. And then design phase, you have to design that idea or the product with your knowledge or the design attributes available.